Okay, part 3 of the series. We talked about the user interface. We talked about the wall plate. What's behind it? The furnace. Your furnace has got basic Arduino Nano. You've got a standard I/O board, maybe a 4-channel relay, and a tiny little, not even a 1-inch OLED. Plus, it's got Bluetooth for initial setup and everything else. Okay? This is your heart. It's going to communicate out to the AC, which will have a tiny little board just to perform multimeter type functions to test and make sure everything's going to keep running perfectly outside. All of this combined isn't even going to cost you $50 retail.